Bluetooth wireless speakers are available across a wide price range these days, but there's one basic trade-off seen in most of these devices. If you need great sound quality, you have to make do with heavy, boxy speakers that are a pain to lug around. And if portability is important to you, you have to opt for a lightweight device that ends up compromising on performance parameters. We reconciled to this common issue until we came across this cute-looking portable speaker from Philips that scores high on the most important fronts and manages to keep its price really low too. You don't believe it? Here's the Philips SoundShooter Bluetooth wireless portable speaker for you.
Here we go!
The first obvious feature of this speaker is its size. Measuring just 2.6 by 2.6 by 3.2 inches and weighing only 1.28 ounces, it is small and lightweight enough to easily carry around in your pocket, purse or backpack. But its portability doesn't just come from its size. It also features a carabiner clip, which lets you attach it to your belt loop or backpack strap. This simple but very useful design feature takes care of any worry about misplacing it. Once securely attached, it can accompany you while you are off on a trek or a jog. Another smart design aspect is the wide range of colors this device is available in, helping you color coordinate it with whatever you choose to wear on a particular day. Even more striking is its sound quality, which despite its small size, manages to beat several larger and more expensive speakers hollow. To maintain the device's simplicity, which many users have come to appreciate, it does not feature volume control of its own. But using the phone or laptop it is paired with via Bluetooth, you can raise its sound output to surprisingly high levels. The bass is reasonably good too, though the physics of a small device keep it from excelling in this department. A minor issue, we say, given the overall superior performance you get from it. Equally impressive is the battery life, giving you non-stop run of up to 8 hours on one full charge. And of course, while you are listening to your music, you can use its built-in microphone for hands-free phone calls too. We expected a high score from its reviewers for this one, and we were proven right. Close to 800 users have given it an average score of 4.2 on 5 stars, which is extraordinary for products in the crowded Bluetooth speaker market. Everything from its sturdy design to its sound quality, not to mention the overall value at its ridiculously low price, has won great comments in the reviews. That's about all we have for now on the Philips SoundShooter Bluetooth wireless portable speaker. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other reviews for Bluetooth and wireless speakers here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.